Good, what is good, what is good, what is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Another beautiful day, another beautiful Monday, guys. And I wanted to take some time out because I wanted to shoot a video regarding the conversion pros today. I wanted to really, kind of nip a couple things in the bud as well in this video. So I'm gonna talk about some other things outside of just some of the normal bells and whistles that you get with this system, but some of the things that you won't know about on the particular website if you were to go to it and just look at a website. Okay, so what I wanted to kind of cover today is that first things first. A lot of people ask me, they'll say the Conversion Pros, guys, is it an MLM? No, the Conversion Pros is not an MLM. It is a affiliate program. So no, they don't have multiple levels and things like that where you get paid at. That is not true. Okay, what it is, that's affiliate product. So they offer an affiliate program with it. And if you guys don't know what affiliate program is, let's go ahead and do this here. So we're going to go to, I always do this here. So let's go Foot Locker. And we're going to say Foot Action. Oh. So we're going to go to Foot Action, right? Show you guys something. Scroll all the way down. See right here where it says affiliates. They allow you, what does an affiliate mean? An affiliate is a group or an individual that officially connects or links up with a retail organization that sells products online, such as Foot Action. With this particular situation, this would be the Conversion Pros, okay? The affiliate simply earn extra cash. An affiliate can place a retailer's ad, text link, product link on their website, shopping engine, blogs, etc. It doesn't matter. Email campaigns, search listings, and ways to earn commissions. So when someone buys off of your website, you earn a commission. So when someone decides they wants to purchase this system, you earn a commission. Now the thing is with this, guys, you earn a $25 commission each time that someone decides they want to sign up and join your business or so like that. Now the network marketing business is a very big business here. What I mean a big business here, it's projected here $178 billion industry, guys. So in that industry, think about the amount of people that are involved in the industry, from who sell pretty much, health and wellness products all the way to lotions and potions. I mean, it's so much that you can offer. Roadside assurance. Literally, there's a niche for everything, guys, that you can offer when it comes to network, that you can be involved in when it comes to network marketing. But the number one thing that everyone needs in network marketing industry is leads. Okay, leads with this business here. And they want to have things duplicatable. See, the thing is that what multi-level marketing is most of the time that you're building a team. So you want to have things in place for your team. You want to make things very duplicatable for your team. So when someone joins, you want to have things already laid out. Say, hey, if you like this sales system that you're looking at right now, you're going to be able to get this same exact system through the links that I'm going to provide for you. Or however, which we will get deeper into certain videos or certain, how we set up certain sales pages, because I want to really help a lot of people understand what this is, how this vehicle that I'm speaking of can make you a lot of money, put a lot of money in your pocket here. And while we're talking about a lot of money here, before I get in here, I want to show you guys something here. Okay, as you can see here, TCP, all right, which is short for the Conversion Pros, guys. As I go back here, you can see these are the times it shows I've gotten paid. Okay, all the time. It's not a screenshot, guys, because I'm gonna go to the next one here. Okay, because we in 2018. So I want to hit the next one, and we see how we're going. We was at the top, 2018, going all the way down, all the way down, guys, all the way down. You see what I'm saying? So this company, guys, they pay as well. Okay, now that's why I said they're gonna put a lot of money in your pocket. Now the thing is that we have something that everybody in this industry needs. So when you think about when it was the gold rush, right? The gold rush, what was everybody doing? Digging for gold. But the people that were making so much money at one point were the people that were providing what? The shovels. A lot of the tools that you needed to dig. Those were the people that were getting rich left and right. Think about things back in the day when things were a monopoly. Back in the day, when people wanted phones, they went directly to AT&T or Southwestern Bell at the time. Okay, when somebody wanted cable, you had the zip cable box. Remember those? and you had to go straight to cable. Cable didn't offer internet. They didn't offer phone and things like that. So they offered pretty much tools for people. So when people started businesses and they wanted to have a phone, they had to go to the phone company. So everybody that needed a phone, guess what? Had to go to a phone company. They provided something that the businesses needed. Okay? So, same way, right? With this here particular system, we're going to provide a lot of the tools that you're going to need. One being a capture page builder, a page builder, which allows you to build a lot of cool, creative pages. So when someone decides they want to check out your business, then you can offer them your page. Now, what I want to do here, I want to kind of show you guys some of the share codes that we have of the landing pages. We also have them for autoresponders as well. So I'm gonna cover that too. So let's get in here, right? So as I mentioned here, weight loss, fitness, medical hemp. These are a lot of the niches here, right? So when someone says, hey man, I want to check out your business, you want to have a page automatically set up for them. So this is just a more of a page that we built, the pre-built page, and if you like it, you can copy this page. You can actually enhance the words. You can change out the colors. There's a lot you can do with it, and we give you full training for this as well. Okay, we also give you a lot of lead magnet pages also. So let's just say you're in the Facebook Lives, anything like that. See, these are a lot of lead magnets right here. See, let me show you these right here, okay? Instagram, free Instagram masterclass. So we're going to show you pretty much, so when you say, hey, I want to show you guys how to make money with Instagram, just enter your information here. That way, this is considered an actual lead magnet, okay? So it's you're giving away some type of free class or training in exchange for an email. And we have a lot of those different systems, a lot of those down there, okay? Social network, insurance, credit repair, real estate. Let's check out the real estate, right? Get your home's value for free. So this is for a real estate agent. So asking, for you to get the information like, hey, boom, 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 boom. Then that way you can reach out to them. You see, we have all kind of different pages, and you can change these out, guys. You can change the backgrounds. Again, we give you training on how to do this as well. Over-the-shoulder training, not no PDFs, actual videos showing you guys how to do this. And this will be a lot under your tools and things like that, okay? All right. Now, let's go up here. So cut cable, conversion pros, a lot of pages we already have, stocks, forex, car programs, work at home moms, cryptocurrency, you name it, guys. We have pages already done. Or if you don't like any of those pages, you can pretty much go in and build your own from scratch. Okay, we got the tiny, and we also have the autoresponders. So before I go off and do everything else, let me go into the autoresponders. Okay, so we already have generic BizOp autoresponder. So if anyone checks out the page, you want to have something that does all the selling and telling for you. Really just builds a relationship with your prospects or people that's looking to join your business. Okay, and if you're not good at writing messages or sending messages, we already have a pre-built series for you. You just go in, change the links out, guys. So these are some of the niches that we already have for you. Okay. All right, so let's get on with it. We have a webinar builder. So the webinar builder pretty much it's gonna just play for you every hour and 30 minutes, whatever you design, and you can invite people to check out this webinar that automatically plays for you at the time frames that you have it set up. You can send broadcast messages out, so everyone that checked out your page, you can send broadcast messages. You can also send text blasts out as well. So we have a area in the back office that you can purchase credits. Okay. So the autoresponder, again, it's the same thing. Broadcasters, where you can just send out emails per day, building that relationship, saying, hey, gang, this is what we did today. This is where we're at. This is who made sales today. Letting people know what's going on, keeping them above flow. Again, building that relationship with your business here, okay? Your member manager, where a lot of people that join them, you can reach out and see who's actually active, who's not active. The contact manager, as far as your leads goes. So page builder again. You can also make tiny URLs as well. So those would be short links, which I definitely love those for like my YouTube videos. So that way I'm not giving some long, ugly link. It's just real short, and it's representing the conversion pros, guys. I love it. I love it. Now here's the main thing right here. This is why I say this is very duplicatable, because you can purchase leads in the back office. Okay, when I say you can purchase leads, it doesn't matter if for people that are looking to make money, as I just mentioned. This industry is a billion-dollar industry, $178 billion industry. So think about how many people are looking to make money. So many people are looking to make money. And we have so many different biz ops that are out there. But guess what? We have a source where people can go and actually have people that are interested in leads. I mean, that actually who already showed interest in actually, working from home. So what I want to do, I want to show you guys over here how these leads are, right? So let's just say, we're promoting TCP. Okay, so we're going to send all the leads to TCP because we want them to close them. If we want to go generic business opportunity leads, males and females, right now there's a sale of $39.60 for 50 leads. When you get these leads, guys, you're going to get names, numbers, email addresses. So that way you can text them, you can call them, reach out to them. These are not just an email, okay? Now, female only leads are a little bit more, $44. For women who don't want to be harassed by men or anything like that, who only want to talk to females, you can purchase female leads. Live interview leads are people that they're hot leads. These are just like buyer's leads, pretty much, where these people are ready to go. You just got to reach out to them, okay? So it's a lot more, but you're in the money, okay? And the same thing for male only leads, $44, okay? Right now it's a sale. But if we were to purchase these, go 50 leads. So I'm not in get response there. I'm not in none of those. So since I'm sending it to TCP, they're gonna do all the follow-ups for me. Okay. So I would select my payment type, if it's credit card, credit wallet, boom. And then when I would go over here, and then you would just see leads, lead order status. You can pretty much see everything right there. Okay. So that's awesome deal right there. That's awesome. Another thing with this, guys, here while I'm going into the tool section here, is that we've been offering daily ad copy as well, where we're giving you the ads, we're giving you the copy, we're giving you everything you need to do to just go out there and start posting and getting some funds today, right away. Okay, literally you're gonna get everything that you need. So this is a lot of the training where they kind of show you how to do a lot of the basics of it there. So I want to show you guys the actual training side of this here. So on affiliate section, so these are my websites here. So these are a lot of the TCP sales funnels that we've already built on that. This is it's free for 14 days, guys. Free for 14 days. Just another thing as well, okay? So what happens is that after 14 days, then you're going to be charged, okay? And then it's $50 a month for the system, but we don't have any way to charge you or anything. So if you decide that you want to jump right in and start making money, trying to make some money with this, get some leads, then guys, we're allowing you to do that to start for free, okay? No credit card required, but after 14 days, you do got to make a decision, okay? So we don't scam anyone. None of that scam talk. You can't even say it's a scam, literally, because we're not even asking for your credit card. We're saying use our free system, use our servers, check everything out, and then let us know if you like it, okay? So guys, I look forward to working with you. We have our private Facebook group where you're getting a lot of the training here. Let me go in here. Let me find my training here just a second. Okay. So this is what I wanted to go into here. So let me go out of this so when you come in and you decide, hey, I want to check out the training. I want to see how everything is working, guys. You see we got the system training, affiliate training, and just coaching. Okay, so the coaching is going to be market on Craigslist, Facebook leads, how to forward a domain, the normal stuff that people ask. What's the difference between buying TCP leads versus clicks? Guys, I mean, we're gonna cover everything. How to call leads, lead mindset, lead expectations, leaving voicemails, how to handle objections. So, okay, so let's say, okay, we're gonna go back out, right? We'll go back in TCP, right? So we're gonna go here, training videos, right where I clicked that, okay? System training, how to do an email broadcast, how to save a page, how to add YouTube Vimeos, create a mobile website, how to connect the form to a website. Literally everything, guys. We're going to give you everything. So that's why I say this is something that you want to have on deck for your team, because it's going to teach you normal training, how to text a lead, okay? Why corporate sites and capture pages suck, okay? Deep, guys. All right. So I'm gonna wrap this video on up. I just wanted to share a little more in-depth video of the Conversion Pros, why I use it, why I love this system, guys. Why you should definitely check it out. A lot of people are making money. We have our private Facebook group as well, that the owners in, giving a lot of good goodies in. So you definitely don't want to miss that, guys. But it's free, okay? You can't turn down free. Hit that button. Definitely check it out. This your boy Jay. Till the next video, I'm out. Peace.